Hello learners, welcome to class 10. Well, I'm Hemlata and I wish you a long life. Alright dear, let's see. Dear scholar, this time I have for you chapter 4 from the diary of Anne Frank written by Anne Frank herself. Alright, dear scholar, this is the picture of writer Anne Frank. Alright, and this is an excerpt. Excerpt means a small part of from this book from the diary of Anne Frank. Okay, this is an excerpt means small part, okay, of a book. All right, let's see what happened in this story. Dear scholar, I wish you so chapter sketch. Okay, you might be knowing this is a story of a young girl. Dear scholar, this is a story of a young girl named Anne Frank. Anne Frank, writer of this lesson. Okay, from the diary of Anne Frank, written by Anne Frank herself. All right, dear scholar, you might be knowing this story is based on her diary. All right, Annie was a Jewish girl. Okay, and the Nazis were killing or arresting the Jews and sending them to concentration camp. All right, dear. Now let's see what happened in this story. This is the characters. Mr. Kissy, math teacher. Mr. Vanden, a Jewish businessman. Anne Frank, Margot Frank's ancestor. Otto Frank, father and fathers. Mrs. Frank, Anne's mother. Alright. Now summary. This time, well, I wish to teach you summary. Alright. Let's see. Heading 1. And feelings about diary. This is the picture of diary named Kitty. Anne writes her diary. She feels that doing so is a strange experience for one like her. Dear scholar, writing a diary for her, it was a strange experience. Okay, why? It is so because she has not written anything earlier. Okay, dear scholar, earlier she hadn't written anything. Alright. Secondly, no one would be interested in reading something written by her as she is a small girl. Actually, she thought that no one would read this diary as she was a small girl, 13 years old girl. Alright. Now moving on next heading. Okay, writes a diary. Next heading, writes a diary. One day Annie felt a bit depressed. Dear scholar, one day she was sad. Okay, she was under some depression or despair. She was sad. She felt that paper had more patience than people. Dear scholar, paper had more patience than people. Well, according to Anne Frank, people are not always interested in listening to what you are telling them. Alright, they get bored and lose patience, but it is not so with paper. You can go on writing whatever you like and as long as you like. Dear scholar, you might be knowing that she felt thought of saying that paper had more patience. Okay, actually, she wished to elaborate. People, okay, people sometimes they get irritated. Okay, they become angry, but paper had more patience. All right, everything what suppose you wish to write, you could write there. All right, therefore, she said paper had more patience than people. Alright. Then she started writing diary. She felt that she won't let anyone read her diary unless she found a real friend. Alright dear. Moving on next. Writing about her family. Alright, yes, one. First she told that paper had more patience. Okay. After that, then she started writing her diary. Alright. Now moving on is writing about her family. Dear scholars, she also gave description about her family. Let's see. This is the picture of family, Annie family. Alright. Writing about her family. She wrote that she was not completely alone in the world. Okay. But she had loving parents and a 16-year-old sister. Dear scholar, she said that okay, her father was an adorable person. Means her father was loving person. Okay, and sister. She's talking about sister and 16-year-old sister Margot sister. You might be knowing her sister. She had about 30 people. How many scholars? How many people, dear scholar? She had about 30 people. 30 people. But she had no true friend. She made it her friend. Okay. Actually, she had many people in her family, but she had no true friend. So she wrote a diary and she made her friend. The name of the diary, Kitty. Okay, let's see. She made it her friend. They call it. Okay, it. It refers to her diary. It refers to her diary. Alright. Now, next, they lived in Germany. They lived in Germany. Now, dear scholar, moving on next. Diary. Diary named as Kitty, brief sketch of family life. Okay, brief sketch of life. She has also provided here. Okay, introduction of her family. Let's see. She wanted the diary to be her friend, so she named it. Okay, as her friend Kitty. What named Kitty? The name of diary was Kitty Diary. Alright. She wrote a brief sketch of her life, though she disliked doing so. Actually, she didn't okay like to write more information okay about her family as she was thinking diary. Kitty Diary was her true friend. All right. So she wrote it. She wrote that her father married her 25 years old mother at the age of 36. Okay, dear scholar, she said that her father was the most adorable person, or you could say loving person. Alright. Her sister Margot was born, okay, in Frankfurt in Germany. Where? In Frankfurt in Germany. In 1926. She was born on 12th June 1929. Alright. Her father immigrated to Holland in 1933. Okay, 1930. Let's see. Her father immigrated to Holland in 1933. Alright. Her mother Edith went to with her father to Holland. But she and her sister were sent to Aachen. Dear scholar, this is the city in Germany. Okay. Aachen is the city. Okay, in Germany. They were sent where? They were sent to Aachen to stay with their grandmother. They used to live with their grandmother. Where? In city Aachen. Alright. Later on, then they went to Holland. Later on, they also went to Holland. Alright, dear. Now moving on next heading and school. Talking about any schooling. Okay. Let's see. This is the picture of school. Okay. Classroom. There she was sent to a Montessori nursery school. Where? Montessori nursery school. Okay, when she was 6 years. She stayed there until she was 6. In the 6th class, her teacher was Mrs. Cupress, the headmistress. Dear scholar, Mr. Cupress was, okay, the headmistress. You could also say might be class teacher. Both, okay, both here Anne and headmistress Cupress, okay, had tears when they bade farewell. Dear scholar, dear scholar, there she started studying at the Montessori school. Which school? Montessori school. When she was in 6th class, okay, when she was in 6th class, Mrs. Cupress was her headmistress. Okay, at the end of the year, there was a farewell function. Which function? Farewell function. The separation from headmistress was full of tears. All right, full of tears. Okay, might be and okay had good relationship with her headmistress. All right. Therefore, here is written in 6th class, her teachers was Mrs. Cupress, the headmistress. Both Anne and the headmistress, whose Mr. Cupress had tears when they bade farewell while the farewell time. Alright, let's see next. Moving on next heading. Dear scholar, this is the picture of grandma. Okay, grandma, Anne's grandmother. Alright, let's see. Reason for not writing the diary. Reasons for not writing the diary. Actually, she stopped, okay, writing diary. Alright. In the summer of 1941, her grandma fell ill. Her grandma fell ill. She had to be operated upon. Actually, she had an operation. Who had an operation? Dear scholar? Grandma. She died in January 1942. It gave Annie a shock. Actually, her grandmother died in 1942. Therefore, and shocked. Okay, she was depressed. So she didn't write her diary in that period. In that period, because she thought of her greatly and she loved her still. Actually, she used to love her grandma very much. They celebrated Anne's birthday in 1942. Then Anne wrote her diary again. Now she began to write her diary again. Alright, dear scholar. Now let's see next heading. Well, next heading about class affairs. Now dear scholar talking about class situation. Alright, let's see what happened in this class affairs. Okay, talking about class. It was the day of the declaration of result. Dear scholar, now the day of result. Everyone in her class was in tension. Okay, all the scholars were in tension. Actually, the result was going to be declared. Alright. The reason was who would go to the next class. Okay. Actually, everyone was scaring, afraid. Alright. And who would not. They had bet with other boys on who would pass and who would not. Dear scholar, they had bet. Okay, they use also money. Okay, and they use bet who would go next class, who would not. She found the teachers as the most unpredictable creatures on the earth. She found the teachers as the most unpredictable creatures on the earth. She used the word unpredictable. Dear scholars, she said that we don't know what the teacher are thinking. Alright, they are most peculiar, special. Actually, we don't know what the teacher are thinking. Okay, she was not worried about her girlfriend and herself. Actually, she was not worried. She was not in stress about her friends and about herself. But she was sure to make that. She was sure to make that. She told that her friend she would pass. She would go to the next class. But she was not sure about math. The subject math. She was not sure about the math subject. Okay. They could wait and told each other. They scholar now they were telling each other, they were consoling each other. Okay, what? Not lose hope. Okay, not lose heart. Okay, dear scholar, they were consoling each other. Okay, let's see next heading. Moving on next about class affairs after next heading. Okay, she was scary only in which subject, dear scholar? And math subject. All right. Actually, math subject teacher, Mr. Kissing, he was a strict teacher. Alright, now let's see. Mr. Kissing gave extra work as punishment. Okay, this one I wish to repeat it about the class affairs. Okay, everyone was in tension who would go to next class and who would not. Okay, she was sure that she would go another next class, she would pass, but she was not sure about the which subject, math subject, which subject, math subject. She also said that in that class there were many scholars, they were not intelligent. Okay, they were not intelligent. All right, let's see. Moving on is Mr. Kissing, math teacher. TS scholar, Mr. Kissing was your math teacher. All right, extra work as punishment. He gave extra work writing task to whom? Annie Frank. All right, she went along her teacher pretty well. Okay, teacher, this scholar, she had good relation with all the teachers. Mr. Kissing was a dull person who taught the math. This scholar talking about Mr. Kissing, math teacher. He was a strict teacher. Okay, he always used to talk mostly about discipline, and he was strict. All right, he was always annoyed with her as she talks much. Dear scholar and friends, she used to talk much in the classroom. Therefore, who used to be angry? Mr. Kissing used to be annoyed. Annoyed means angry. He gave her as a punishment. Mr. Kissing gave her punishment. What? Extra homework for writing. Alright. It was in the form of an essay. Mr. Kissing gave her homework, extra homework, okay, an essay on a chatterbox. A chatterbox. Moving on next, here, uh, picture of Anne Frank with her friend. Okay, here she is doing homework, extra homework. Alright, moving on next. Does the homework given extra? In the evening, she had done her homework. She began thinking of the subject of the essay. She thought to write good points of argument to prove the necessity of talking. Okay, she completed her homework. Then she had an idea. Then wrote the 3 pages. How many pages? Yes, she wrote 3 pages that were given by Mr. Kissing to her satisfaction. She wrote that talking was a feature of a student. She was much talkative. Her mother also used to talk. This habit she got from her mother, and she tried to keep quiet. Keep quiet. Okay. Now moving on next. Okay. Next heading. All right. Homework as punishment given again. Dear scholars, she used to talk much in the classroom. Therefore, Mr. Kissing used to provide her what? Homework, extra homework. Mr. Kissing read it and laughed. Then he gave her another essay as she didn't stop talking. This was continuously she used to talk. Therefore, Mr. Kissing provided her homework, extra homework. She was to write it on an incorrigible. Another task she got. Okay, chatterbox. Again, she got extra homework as she used to talk much in the classroom. She wrote it and it satisfied Mr. Kissing. she didn't talk for 2 lessons. That is, she hadn't talked for 2 lessons, but she started speaking when in the third lesson. Okay, he again asked her to write an essay. Extra homework again provided. That extra homework was quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. Alright, the class two road means the class laughed. Okay, hearing it. She also laughed. She wanted to write something original now. Her friend Shane was good at poetry. Her friend Shane, okay, she helped her to write that essay in was media scholar poem. Alright, moving on next. And poem, okay, and poem a joke on Mr. Kissing himself. Let's read. This is the picture of Mr. Kissing. Alright, and Anne Frank. Anne had finished her poem. It was about a mother duck and father swan. Actually, dear scholar, she wrote in the verse extra homework, she wrote it was about the mother duck and father swan. Father swan killed baby. Actually, 3 babies, they were talkative, too much talkative. Alright, it was because the baby they quaked too much. Okay, luckily Mr. Kissing took the joke the right way. Dear scholar, Mr. Kissing was a strict teacher. He always used to talk about discipline. But that day when he read poem as a form of essay, poem she has written with the help of her friend. Okay, he laughed in the class. Okay, but she had it on him. He read the poem to the class, adding his own comment. Since then, she had been allowed to talk. Dear scholar, that day Mr. Kissing laughed when he read his homework, what she had done poem. Okay, verse, extra homework. And she hadn't even been given extra homework. Since that day he hadn't provided her homework. And Mr. Kissing also used to make joke, okay? As Mr. Kissing continued making joke in the class. Alright? He, Mr. Kissing, read the poem and after that Annie was allowed to talk, okay? Annie was allowed to talk and no extra work, okay, was given. Since Mr. Kissing started making joke. Alright, dear scholar. Now this is the scene of Mr. Kissing happy, okay, and Anne is also happy. Alright. Initially, Mr. Kissing was a strict teacher, okay, but eventually at last, okay, he also used to make joke. Alright, dear scholar. Well, you are supposed to learn it. Alright, dear scholar. May you be successful. Alright, see you later.